The annual general meeting of the Shilla clan took place on March 1st, 2025 in Maukanrao, bringing together hundreds of clan members from across the Khasi and Jaintia hills. The event was presided over by Prakhat Shilla, president of the clan, with Jowai MLA Wailat Biki Shilla attending as the chief guest. The discussion focused on preserving the clan's heritage, strengthening family bonds, and recognizing members for their contributions to society. Almiki Shilla, the General Secretary, presented the report of the clan's affair, including the overview of various sub-clans. Wailat Miki Shilla, in his speech, emphasized on the importance of upholding the honor and legacy of the Shilla clan, reminding members that while respect takes years to build, it can be lost in an instant.
Henry lat pipet hak sneak bementa kilang do niam kirang ba snong haki department kiba pair dang shen ima bedarias ilalong i member jong ka MPSC kaway na ka office ka ba kumnong ang gobernador burontam hapok ka state ke jongi panjit ya kinong tray sorkar kiba kle tam tapi na pipet ngila kakur jongi kalayo ajing siya haporok ibenta tangkai ka pangakwa akan ang hamni banyo jing siya kasimpor daki pusna tang bundo jing siya kasimpor tang daki second tenaga taka daw ni hap long kiba bansneng ya kikon giti ya ki parakon jongi namarla dengi kumle bakla khendiet nanong yepi ka jingja borom dai tang kita namar ngaya la de abang asyong agane ke syupi ngasai perkhat na kapor ngasai dothia ngaong la danga kum bakla la syai la sisi ndai ke ja jingja borom tang yang ngaya la de simet la ne tang ya ka yin ke jonga handrai ke jingja borom ya ka kur ka ja jungi borom.
A special segment of the event honored individuals who have excelled academically and professionally. Among them was Jacob Shilla, who recently earned PhD in English. In his speech, he highlighted the value of higher education and encouraged the youth to pursue excellence in their chosen field.
Kibalit College Hasin
Lingba ka jingwan jongani ka NEP 2020 rene kata ka National Education Policy arpo kalawan ra ka jingkala hakurukam trekam jagi school jongki college ba jongki university tekri ka jingkala ka bagawan parakur hagane ko por kan ta jur ya ka kurukum puli puthi ko jungi idon ki jungong ki babha haka idon ki jing ru ki babun ki bangina banya kendu tikum ko wai ko nuksa ka bangan ai phi menta ki bapa nangi sakmat lara pentrekam ya ka NEP 2020 ima waila dangi diwei na kinong ki badan ha sorkan ila ban sungthu bhai ka ni andala pentrekam ya ka NEP 2020 ha ka school in sa pendu ya ka matric kenala pendu ya ka matric ikna kinya binile exam ha do dala poe ka class 12 on dala poe ka class 12 benta on data mansio atang first haka jingile exam man kasni and refe haban pasu ya ka CUT ana ka banta bandung sa jingkuli haka college nang ta ba finlay MA ru banta haban pasu ka CUT BD bata MA bakum ta ter ti ladang ilong kibaningkong habile exam matric neneng ilong baningkong habile exam class 12 ladang i fail ya ka CUT nyimyo sa ban kuliah sakmat ladangi pas BA, pas BSc ngiyo kerdan ke beningkong, ladangi pas ke CUT ngimyo asuban kuliah ke MA, MSc, MCom. Tikani mentah kalau bo ya kata ke rukom kuliah ke bengidon kam ban pas omtang ya ke exam juga school dan exam ke bengile kelas 12 dunia BA yuran kamban pasu ya ke exam juga CUT telah daging pas ya kini dari ki marks ki dongi kilong kita he kan nuru dari ngim pas ya kini nginum nak sugar ban pulih shaneng marshallor de kini kan kita ya ka jingkiu jong keri bagajai kun rio nomor bagi sama jungi yinum yo ban pulih shaneng ora kim yo ban pulih shaneng kim yo kekerdan jing pulih babha yinum yo ki kam ki jam ki babha de kum bakur ngan kerpa ikinong penyat bagian sedang penlong yaki coaching na kabanta ke CUT haka class 12 CUT haka BA kenang bagi parakur ki khon jungi ki samla ge jungi kena ban pas bha bagian yo ban kiu shaneng shega jing puli.
The meeting also included the election of new office bearers. Perkat Shalla was re-elected as the president, while Almiki Shalla retained the position of General Secretary. Jocelyn Shilla appointed as the treasurer, and the advisory board was formed with members including Kirman Shilla, Wailat Miki Shilla, Santa Maria Shilla, and Wilford Shilla. The event concluded with cultural performance by young members from the various clan units, reinforcing the sense of unity and pride in their shared heritage.